Mute your mic now. Om Vakratunga Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvighna Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Me Sada Saṃskṛtam Dayanandam Paramarthasvarupinam Tatvajnana-prashāstaram Pranatosmi param padam Yenākṣara-samāmnāyam Adhigamya maheshvarat Kritsnam vyakaranam proktam Tasmai pādinaye namaha Vakyakaram vararuchim Bhāśyakaram patanjalim Pāninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Vāgarthaviva Saṃpṛktau Vāgartha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwarau Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Tavagiryam Karavāvahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishāvahai Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. You can type your name in the chat box. We will be doing some reading practice also today. So if you want to participate in reading, you can type your name in the chat box. It is good if all of you participate instead of being just a mute spectator. Better to type and participate. You read, then only I will come to know your level of understanding, your level of knowledge. It will help me in taking the class forward. Whether I should deal with the same topic again or go forward. Otherwise, I have to assume many things. The teacher has to assume. He has to imagine the condition of the student. Assume. The same thing is for Vedanta class also, because all people are not the same level. They have different background and they are at different levels. So with some assumption, I do. My assumption is that we are all at the beginner's level, whether in Vedanta or in Saṃskṛta. That is why I deal with some topic repeatedly. There will be repetition. In Vedanta, it's not a problem, but in Saṃskṛtam, it could be a problem because we're dealing with the same thing again. So better you type your name in the chat box and participate in the class. You read. We ask you to read. So I know you all know where chat box is, because many people, they don't type the name in the chat box. And don't feel afraid. This is not meant to expose anyone. Everybody is at the same, almost at the same level, more or less. Everybody is a vidyarthi, learning student. So it doesn't matter. If you don't know, anyway, I'm there to help you. So don't feel shy and type your name in the chat box. Fine. Today we are entering into the next level of the language. Level 1 is completed with the previous class. I sent all the materials, what I prepared for level 1, the book and the 3 workbooks, taking the guidance from the classes which are available in YouTube. That is only a supporting, a tool. There is no replacement for attending the class. It is not a replacement. Attending the class is important. There is only a supporting thing. If you don't understand, if you miss out anything in the class, that you can go back and listen to the recording. This is why the recording is done and posted. And for those who cannot attend class also, for the benefit of them, it is posted. The intention is at least people will listen to it and they will be exposed to the language, to the culture, the tradition, and the Vedanta also. Is the idea. It is very important at this time, at this time, how we are, how we, our dharma is, these are important. That is why the classes are also posted. So everybody will be benefited. That is the intention. So the level 1 recordings are there available, and the book what I prepared for the beginners, and the 3 workbooks. One dealing with the aksharam, other dealing with the shabda, the third one dealing with the vakya. So it means this akshara abhyasa, learning the aksharam and its pronunciation, that is akshara abhyasa, and combination of the letters, aksharam, that is shabda abhyasa, and the combination of words which make a sentence, that is vakya abhyasa in the form of subhashitam. So all these 3 are done at the stage of level 1. So that if you have attended all the class and listened to the recordings and done some homework, it means you will be now able to read Saṃskrta sentences, vakya, comfortably. And this level 2, it will introduce slowly into the language and the grammar. So what is the prerequisite for entering to level 2? Level 1 should have been completed. We should be thorough with level 1. Thorough means you can simultaneously study that also. Okay. So if you have any doubts with regard to any letters, like somebody asked in the previous class, the WhatsApp, then ask. Don't feel shy, because we are in level 2. It doesn't mean that you should not ask any question pertaining to level 1. Any basic questions, some unanswered questions will be there. You can always ask. Okay. So, so now we will get into the class. I'm sharing a Word file. You can see. Already we have done that. It's just to refresh or to remind what we studied. So I'll call the names one by one from the chat box, so you can try this. So what is the first one? First one is Abhyasaha 1. Varna Sanyojanam Krutva Padam Likata. Varna means letter. Sanyojanam, joining. So join the letters and write the word. Okay. So now Radhaji, can you join all the Varna? What is a Padam? What's the word you get?
Sure. A plus Chakara plus A plus Repa plus Yaha. Acharyaha.
Good. Now, it's okay. Now, second one, Uttaraji. Uttaraji, you have to unmute.
Abhyasaha.
You can read the letters also.
A plus Bha plus U plus A plus Saha.
Is it not? It is not you. It is.
Yeah. Sorry. Ya plus A plus Saha.
Not ya. It is yakara. You say ya means.
Okay. Yakara. A and Saha.
Yeah. Third one.
Abhyasaha.
Yes, good. Abhyasaha. Third one, Krishnamurti.
Kakara plus A plus Lakara plus A plus Takara plus Repa plus A plus Makara. Kalatram.
Very good. Kalatram. Next, Sujata ji.
Sakara plus au plus chakara plus e plus kakara plus aha.
Good.
Sauchikaha. Sauchikaha.
Sauchikaha. Right, right.
Sauchikaha.
Taylor. Taylor.
Taylor. Okay. Sauchikaha.
Yeah, Kavita ji.
Vakara plus E plus Pakara Shakara plus Chakara plus E plus Takara plus Aha. Vipashchitaha.
Good. Vipaschitaha. Next one. Agalya ji.
Lakara plus a plus refa plus a plus pakara plus u plus ngakara plus gakara plus a plus pakara plus aha. Narapungavaha.
Good. Narapungavaha. This always when you read the consonant plus vowel. So end with the vowel. That is always good. Like Sujata ji read correctly. Nakara plus a, repa plus a, then pakara plus u, then nakara plus gakara plus a, then pakara plus ara. That will be good. Right? Okay. Narapungavaha. Now the next one. Sunita ji.
Makara plus a plus hakara plus a plus refa plus shakara plus a plus yakara plus aha. Maharashyah.
Rashyaha. When you say ra, ra means after repa, a should be there. But a is not.
Maharshayah.
Maharshayaha.
Yeah, Maharshayah. Yeah.
And it is repa, not refa.
Repa.
There is no pa in Saṃskṛtam. Pa sound is there, but the letter pa, it is not. It is pronounced as fa in in Hindi. In Saṃskṛtam, it is only pa. Okay. Yeah. Now the next one, Anuradha.
Pakara plus repha plus a, vakara plus a plus shakara plus e plus pakara plus a. Praveshika.
Praveshika, right?
Yeah.
Praveshika. That is the name of the book what I prepared for this level 2. I kept the name Praveshika. Okay. Now the next one. Next abhyasa is Varna Vichedam Kuruta. You have to split the words. Okay. So with this, I'll give us homework. So you can try. I will send this through the WhatsApp. So you have to, now the padam is there. What you have to do, you have to split the padam into individual words. So I'm typing and sending you this as your homework. This abhyasa pertains to the level 1, but just to refresh. Okay. I'll send this so you can see. Now, today we'll be seeing a lesson from the book called Saṃskṛta Bala Darshaha. You can see I'm sharing a PDF file. You can see that. Do you see that? A PDF file?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So that is It's an infant reader. Saṃskṛta Bala Darshaha. I can show you the first page, the book. If you have this book, it is good. Or you can buy a copy of this book. This is the book, Infant Reader. Saṃskṛta Bala Darshaha. We are all infants, beginners. Therefore, the book is for the beginners, infant reader. It's a good book. But in the book needs a lot of, we have to do a lot of practice when we move from one lesson to another lesson. So I'm planning to do this as well as the notes what I prepared, both parallelly. So this book is available, published by R.S. Vadiyar and Sons from Palghat. Either you can buy this book or I can send you the PDF file. So the first lesson of this book, which we are going to read today, having known how to read the Vakya sentence, now we will get into the first lesson. All the previous, the introduction and all we have done, like what you see in the screen now, Aksharamala, Swaraha, Ajaha, everything we have done in the level 1. So we can skip that and go to the first lesson. So now we'll ask one of you to read Saṃskṛta Bala Darshe Pratamaha Pataha. First lesson. On the left hand side, you see the Saṃskṛta numeral. It is 1, 2, page number 12. That Saṃskṛta numerals also we saw in the level 1. It's very simple. You can easily identify. So, on the left hand side at the top, 1, 2, that is page number 12. So, when I ask you to go to this page and that page by saying the number, identify the Saṃskṛta numeral and go to that page. Okay. So, Saṃskṛta Bala Darshe. Book name is, the name of the book is Saṃskṛta Bala Darshaha. That is the name of the book. Saṃskṛta Bala Darshe. In the Saṃskṛta Bala Darsha, in the book Saṃskṛta Bala Darsha, now we are going to see Pratamah Pataha, first lesson. Okay, now Jayantiji, can you read what you see?
Ajaha.
Yes.
Ajaha.
And the line below that.
Ayam.
Yes.
Ajaha.
Ajaha, the picture itself shows what it is. Ajaha is goat.
Good.
Ayam Ajaha. This is a goat. Ajaha means goat. Ayam means this. This is a goat. The translation of the sentence Ayam Ajaha. This is a goat. Where is a goat? Where is that number? A goat. Only one goat is there. Where is that? In Saṃskṛtam, where it is that? Ajaha itself, the word itself says, the word itself means there is only one goat. Ajaha means only one. What is that? Goat. So the word Ajaha itself indicates the number. How do we know all these things? You will learn slowly. Ajaha means goat. How many goats? Only one, singular. And Ayam means what? This. And where is the verb? Verb is not there. Verb is not there, which we can supply or we need not supply. It is understood. What is the verb that we will see later? This is not required now. Ayam Ajaha. Ayam means this. Ajaha means one goat. So this is a goat. If you translate the sentence, Ayam Ajaha, this is a goat. Understood?
Okay.
Yes, all of you.
Yes. Yes, Sharan.
Okay. Now, next one. Ramyaji, can you read? Simple word and simple sentences. Ramyaji, you can read.
Yeah, I am Gajaha.
First one is Gajaha you have to read, then the sentence. Right?
Okay, Gajaha. I am Gajaha.
Gajaha. What is Gajaha?
Elephant.
One. How many elephants?
Just one.
Only one is
Just
there.
one.
Ajaha means it is. It means
Single.
elephant. Only one elephant. So I am Gajaha. I am means what?
This
This.
is an elephant.
This is an elephant.
Elephant.
Only one elephant is there. Gajaha. And I am. Okay. Now I told you, if you remember, in Saṃskṛtam, the words have gender. The words itself have gender. You cannot, or you should, I mean, you should not attempt to identify the gender of a word through its meaning. The meaning has not got no meaning in identifying the gender. The meaning has no meaning. Whatever may be the meaning of the word in Saṃskṛtam itself has gender. Okay. How do we know then? There's so many words are there. How do I know what gender and all that? You will know slowly when you become familiar with the language. By seeing the word, when you read a word, you will understand what gender is that. Whether it is masculine or feminine or neuter, you will know it. So don't go by the meaning of the word. The word as gender. That's all. So ajaha, gajaha. These words are masculine gender. They are masculine. Ajaha, gajaha is masculine. I am, the word I am is there. I am means this. That also, it's a pronoun. That also has got gender. What is the gender of this in English? What is the gender? You can unmute your mic. What is the gender of this?
Neutral.
In fact, this has got no gender, right? This has got no gender. So, but in Saṃskṛtam we have pronouns in all the three genders: masculine, feminine, and neuter. And here, ajaha, gajaha are masculine gender. You understand now? It has masculine gender. It is masculine gender words: ajaha, gajaha. Therefore, the pronoun which are used to indicate these masculine gender words, they also have gender in Saṃskṛtam. I am means this, and this I am is a masculine gender pronoun. I am is a masculine gender pronoun. Therefore, when you indicate or point out any object which are masculine gender using the pronoun this, if it is masculine gender, you must use a pronoun I am. I am balaha. Balaha means boy. I am shishyaha, student. This is a student. I am acharyaha. This is a teacher. So I am vidyalayaha. This is a school. I am kapotaha. This is a pigeon, dog. So all the words, masculine gender words, when you are indicating by using the pronoun, then you must use the appropriate pronoun. I am, you have to use. I am is a masculine gender word. So I am ajaha. I am is masculine gender pronoun. Ajaha is a masculine gender proper noun. Understood? Any doubt in this? Yes?
It is written in two different ways.
I'll tell you why it is. But is there any doubt up to what I said now? Any doubt? You have to ask me. You can stop me and ask.
No.
Okay. Now it is written in two different ways. Why it is? I am ajaha. There the last letter is nakara. Whereas I am gajaha. The last letter is
Yakara.
not yakara. It is anuswara. I mean, yam is there. It is yakara plus Please mute your mic. There is noise. That anuswara is there. That is yam is there. That is yakara plus But both are read as I am only. The first one is also ayam, this is also ayam. Ayam ajaha, ayam gajaha. It means that ayam can be written in any way. Either you can have makara or you can have anuswara. Okay, you know what anuswara is? You remember what anuswara? You can unmute now. Only when
Yes, sir.
it's a
Yeah, when it is followed by a consonant, it has to
no.
be
Oh, that is
makara.
No. My question. Okay, that is wrong. But my question is different. What is anuswara? Anuswara, I remember.
Anuswara is, yeah, amaha.
The dots are
Aha.
The visarga.
Amanda.
No, anuswara is a dot. The dot is a bindu, which is put at the top of the letter. That is called anuswara. The bindu, what you see in ayam gajaha, the word ayam, that yam has got a dot. That is called anuswara, bindu. That visarga, we know. That colon,
Yeah.
ajaha, gajaha. So my question is that only. So, but
Okay.
ayam ajaha, that ayam in ajaha and ayam in gajaha, both are pronounced the same way. But why it is there is difference in writing? Because of a rule. I tell you the rule. You can listen to it carefully. Ayam gajaha. That ayam, that anuswara, is replaced by makara, like in ayam ajaha. When it is followed by another word which begins with an vowel. When a word begins with a vowel follows anuswara, then anuswara will be written as makara. Here in this sentence, ayam gajaha, anuswara is there. It is there. Why? Because the next word, gajaha, what is the first letter of the word gajaha? What is the first
Ga.
letter? Gakara.
Ga.
Gakara.
Gakara.
You should say gakara. You have to split ga into gakara plus ha. Gakara. Gakara is what? It's a consonant. It's a consonant, not a vowel, right? So anuswara is written as it is. Whereas in ayam ajaha, anuswara was there before, but the following word as the vowel a as a first letter. A is a vowel, right? So therefore, in the place of anuswara, we write makara. So ayam ajaha. Instead of anuswara, the makara is written when the following word as vowel as a vowel letter, as a vowel as the first letter. So this is a rule. You understand? Yes.
Yes, Charanji.
Okay. Somebody asked this question. Is it Krishnamurti ji?
Yes, yes,
Now you understood?
yes. Now I understand.
So the rule is anuswara will be replaced by makara when the following word as vowel, when the following word as vowel as a first letter. When vowel is the first letter of the following word, then anuswara will be written as makara. Okay. So now you are learning the rules one by one. So this is a simple rule. Now the next sentence and the word next person will read. So Aruna, yes. Can you read the next?
Bala. Yam Bala.
So Bala, you can guess what gender is that? What gender could be?
Strilingam.
Of course,
Feminine.
right. Feminine gender. Bala. Bala means girl. And Iyam Bala. So you can guess Iyam means this. The meaning of the word Iyam means this. What gender it could be?
Yam is also feminine.
Feminine gender. So the word Ayam is, which means this, is masculine gender. The word Iyam, which means this, is feminine gender. Why we are using iyam. Why not ayam? Because bala, the word, the proper noun, is a feminine gender. Therefore, the pronoun iyam, which means this, the feminine gender word iyam must be used. We should not use ayam. So iyam bala, not ayam bala. Iyam ajaha, iyam bala, and not iyam ajaha also. Ajaha is masculine gender. Iyam is feminine gender. So that gender contradiction will happen. So we have to use appropriate pronoun. Ayam ajaha. That is fine. Fine. Good sentence. Iyam bala. That gender matches. Okay. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the next one. Lalita ji, you can read. Lalita ji, are you there? Sorry, not Lalita. Lata ji. Sorry.
Mala.
Hmm.
Iyam mala.
Iyam mala. Mala means garland. Iyam mala. What gender is that? Mala, bala, feminine gender.
Feminine
And
gender.
the
So
sentence.
is iyam.
This is a garland. So this, what pronoun you will use? Iyam. Yeah.
Iyam.
Feminine gender pronoun we should use. Iyam mala. So iyam bala, iyam mala. Okay. Now the next. Now you know the word for this in masculine and feminine gender. Now the next word, Parvati ji, can read. Can unmute your mic.
Patram. Idam patram.
Very good. Patram. What gender patram is? It's a
Neutral.
Neutral. Neuter. It is neuter gender. It is neuter gender. Patram. Patram is a neuter gender word. And idam, you can guess. Idam means this. The meaning of the word idam is this. This is a vessel. What could be the gender of the word idam?
Neutral gender.
Neuter gender. So, idam patram means this is a vessel. Idam meaning this. It's a neuter gender word. So now we have learned 3 words meaning this in all the 3 genders. Ayam, iyam, idam. Very important words. Ayam, iyam, idam. Ayam, ajaha, iyam, bala, idam, patram. You should not use, the you should not use iyam patram or ayam patram. The gender contradiction should not happen in the sentence. You should use the appropriate pronoun matching with the gender of the proper noun. Okay. So now the next word. Radhaji, you can read.
Netram.
There is a typo there. You say natrem is there. It is not natrem. The stroke should be at the top of nakara.
Yeah.
Na.
Yeah.
Anyway, it is netram. It is in the sentence. It is correct. In the word is wrong. Okay, that's a printing mistake.
Netram. Idam netram. Netram is I. This is netram is an I. Idam netram is this is an I.
Netram. See, now the body parts has got gender. You may be a masculine or feminine gender, but your eye has got neuter gender. Similarly, you may be a masculine, male or female, but your nose has got a gender, feminine gender. You may be a male or female, your kesha, your hair has got gender. Your skin has got gender. Your fingers has got gender. So, it means the word has gender. Not by the meaning of the word. The word has gender. So, idam netram. I is netram. The netram is I, which is a neuter gender word. Idam is a pronoun, which means this, neuter gender word. Idam netram. This is an I. And did you observe here why patram, netram, there? That makara is there. Why not? Why in idam, that anuswara is there?
Because it is followed by a consonant.
That is good. Idam has got anuswara because followed by the consonant pakara is there in
And
idam
nakara.
patram, and nakara is there in idam netram. That is correct.
Not patraha, it is patram. So,
Oh, it's okay, but patram, that instead of makara you can write anuswara, right? Why it is patram, makara is there? Why not anuswara? So now you have to extend the rule what I said before. What was the rule I said before? In the place of anuswara, makara will be written when it is followed by a word
Vowel.
which begins with a vowel. That is the first rule I said. First condition. First condition means in one condition. In this condition, that rule will apply. Now the second situation or condition where this will apply, where when anuswara happens to be at the end of the sentence. Here idam patram, the sentence ends with patram, the word patram, and the patram has got anuswara. It is not followed by any word, right? It is the end of the sentence. How do you know it is the end of the sentence? By the vertical stroke, what you see, that's called danda. Like you have a full stop in English, in Saṃskṛtam we have a danda. Danda means, literally means stick. Here the vertical stroke that indicates the end of the sentence. And anuswara, which is the last letter of the word, which is not followed by anything, which is at the end of the sentence, then anuswara will be written makara. This is the second situation where this rule will apply. So instead of writing patram with anuswara, it is written makara.
With makara.
Anuswara written makara. Simple rule you can remember. So that's why idam patram, idam netram. So this is the first lesson of the infantry. So how simple it is, you see. So what we have learned today. So we have learned 3 pronouns meaning this in different genders and some words from all the 3 genders. I'll show you a word file now which summarizes what we saw today. Okay. Do you see now the table here, table column?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Ajaha. Ajaha is singular masculine gender, which means goat. Ajaha, again masculine singular, which means elephant. Bala, singular feminine, which means girl. Mala, singular feminine, which means garland. Patram, singular neuter, which means vessel. Netram, singular neuter, which means eye. So all these are proper nouns. Now the pronouns. The pronoun, you will see some more words here. Don't worry about it. I'm not interested in those words. Only what we have learned today, that we will see. The pronoun I am is that. I am is singular masculine, which means this. Forget about the next line, not required. The third one.
Yam.
Yam means singular feminine, meaning this. And skip the next line and go to the next other line. Idam means singular neuter, meaning this. Okay, so you know now the word for this in all the 3 genders. Ayam, iyam, idam. Remember these words which are important. Okay. Any doubt in this?
Sharanji,
Yeah.
here the ayam, iyam and idam are ending with makara.
Okay.
Why anuswara cannot be used here?
Oh, I'm writing only the word. What follows makara? Anything follows?
Nothing. So
No, I'm writing. Yes. The same thing in the lesson also. You see the PDF file, infantry. What is patram, netram, how it is?
Correct.
How it patram is written, netram is written.
Yeah. But in mala it says iyam mala, whereas here you have said iya makara.
What is that?
The word file When you are pointing out only em separately, you will replace the anuswara with makara. But in mala, see, em mala is with anuswara only.
Because em is followed by mala, makara is there. Whereas there only the letter em is there. That's why I gave this example. Patram is there. Patram, why makara is there? That word alone is written. Nothing follows after patram. Idam patram also, that is the end of the sentence. Therefore, makara is there. Okay. So, any doubt in this? Yes?
It's clear.
Okay. So, this is the first lesson. Now, I'll give you a list of words through WhatsApp. I'm sending you some list of words. Masculine gender words, feminine gender words, and neuter gender words. And I also give the meaning of all the words. Now, the homework is use the appropriate pronoun and form a sentence. I have sent now through WhatsApp. I have sent a lot of words in all the three genders. Now use appropriate pronoun meaning this and form a sentence, form sentences. So that is the homework.
Can we say that all the singular neuter gender words end with makara?
Again, repeat your question. What is it?
Neuter gender words end with makara.
Singular neuter gender words ending with makara.
Yeah. Is it a sort of a rule that happens?
The question is not clear. You said
Asanam, patram, they end with makara.
Oh, you're asking if it ends with makara, can we say it is a neuter gender word?
Yes. Is it a general kind of?
You can understood for now. It is like that. You can understand right now. It is like that. But it will change. It need not be all the time like this.
Okay.
So that we will see. Slowly you will understand what it is. So for time being, your understanding is correct. So how to identify neuter gender? If it is the noun, let us say noun now. As a noun, it ends with makara. Yes, that is correct. Slowly, when we study further, then you will understand. Things will become clear. It is not always so, right? But now it is okay. That is why I gave you the sentences having makara, at the end, all the neuter gender words. Because that is the only thing what we are studying. So that only those words are given. So now you can form sentences. Asanam is there. So idam asanam, idam abharanam, idam alukam. So when you practice this homework, one thing is you will know which pronoun to be used, and second one, you know that you get exposed to the words vocabulary. So both are important. So this is how we develop our vocabulary also. So
Sharon, happiness. How do we say this is happiness?
Idam sukam.
I see. No, but can we say like that? This is how do we identify idam?
How do we identify what?
Happiness is not something which you can see.
But you want to say this is happiness, right? In English, the same thing I'm translating into Saṃskṛtam.
No, but happiness is given as one word to make sentence. Is it right to say this is happiness?
Why not? This is happiness. Suppose the context comes where you're saying this is what happiness is. This is happiness. You're saying. So in fact, it is there. The Shastra is there. That sukam Bhuma.
Acha.
Brihadaranyaka Upanishad also, this is what the Sukham is.
Okay.
It is there.
Okay.
So Idam Sukham you can use.
Okay.
Okay. So we will stop here. So with the lesson 1. Lesson 2, we will see some more things. So every lesson has got in this 1 minute. Every lesson has got some exercise also that we will see later. The exercise part, we will deal with that later. Do you hear any noise behind me? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Somebody is talking.
Oh. Okay. 1 minute.
You can say idam pushpam.
Please.
Idam pushpam. Singular.
Yes. So this reader has got exercise also. That's exercise part. We will do it later. Okay. That first we will look into the lesson. Exercise we will come back. So this is the first lesson and the homework. So you can try this. And if you have any difficulty, you can tell me. I can teach you the second one also, but I'll postpone it for the next week. Okay, so we will stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
Thank you, Ji.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you, sir.
Then